The Employee Groups section is needed to group the employees in the call rotation groups and distribute the incoming calls among several employees. Employee departments can be, for example, sales department, technical support department, company administration, etc. One employee can belong to more than one call group or employee department. When creating a new employee department, several functionalities are provided. First, group calls, distribution of the incoming calls among employees. Second, call interception. If the incoming call is addressed to the employee group, any member of the group can take the call and start the conversation with the caller. Third, access to the voicemail box of the group. To create a new employee department, click on Plus New and name it. For example, Sales Department. Select the employees that will be the members of this call group and will share the incoming calls. Once the employee department is created, the types of call reception can be described in more detail in the section Phone Numbers. To accomplish this, select the section Phone Numbers, which will have the call reception route described. Select Route Type from One-Step Routing, Two-Step Routing, or IVR Routing. Choose the type of call reception for the employee groups that was previously created. For example, Sales Department. Once the employee department is created, a section will be activated where the following principles of call reception can be indicated. First type, random. An incoming call to the employee group will be routed to the company's employee who is able to answer the call at that moment, is not speaking on the phone, or has not activated the status busy in the mobile app. If the first available employee does not start the conversation, i.e., does not reply in 15 seconds, the incoming call will be automatically diverted to the next free employee. Second type, sequential with defined start point. An incoming call to the employee group will be routed in the specified sequence. It has a prerequisite that an employee who receives a call is not speaking on the phone or does not have the status busy activated in the mobile app. In order to specify the sequence, select an employee in the First Employee field. This employee will be first to receive a call intended for the employee group. In order to edit the routing sequence in the employee department, click on Edit Sequence and change the employee sequence for receiving the incoming calls for the employee group by using the arrows. Click on Save after changing the sequence. Third type, sequential with random start point. An incoming call to the employee group will first arrive randomly, and if the first employee fails to answer the call, the next recipient will be chosen from the sequence specified in the employee department. In order to edit the routing sequence in the employee department, click on Edit Sequence and change the employee sequence for receiving the incoming calls for the employee group by using the arrows. Click on Save after changing the sequence.